The Laken Riley Act is a new law being proposed in the United States that could have big impact on immigration policy. It is designed to punish countries that refuse to take back their undocumented citizens who are living in the United States illegally. And you know what? If this law is passed, it could lead to visa ban for people from the specific countries that do not cooperate, including India. This means that Indian professionals, students, and even tourists could face difficult times in getting visas like H-1B work visa, student visa, or any visitor visa. Well, the Act says that if a country does not accept its undocumented citizens back, then the United States can take legal action. And not just the federal government we are talking about. This is a major shift because immigration issues are usually handled through diplomatic discussions between the two governments of two different countries. Now, the US states can directly go to the court and ask for visa ban on people from uncooperative countries. Now, this is affecting Indians really bad. There is risk of visa ban. If India is seen as non-cooperating in taking back the undocumented Indians, then the United States could ask court to stop issuing visas to Indians. Now, this could impact those applying for H-1B work visa, student visa, and visitor visa. Secondly, there is going to be legal battle instead of diplomatic talk. Normally, visa-related issues are handled through discussions between the government. But with this new law, the US state could go directly to the court, reducing India's ability to negotiate through diplomatic channel. Then it is going to impact US-India relationship as well. The US and India have very strong ties, and India has actually helped in deportation cases before. Let me give you an example. In October 2024, India cooperated with the United States to deport a group of undocumented Indians. However, if the US thinks that India is not doing enough, this law could lead to strained relationship and visa restriction as well. Well, let me tell you that India has generally been very cooperative in immigration matter, but the act could put more pressure on Indian government to increase deportation. This might lead to stricter checks on Indian travelers, and even people with valid visa could face extra scrutiny. If the act becomes the law, India might have to negotiate stronger agreements with the United States just to prevent visa ban. This could also speed up deportation processes to show compliance and protect the visa access for Indian workers and these students. So basically, in conclusion, the Laken Riley Act is a very serious development that could affect thousands of Indians who plan to work, study, or visit the United States. India has worked with the United States before on deportation cases, but if seen as a non-cooperative, it could face tough visa restrictions. The Indian government may need to act very quickly just to ensure that Indians are not unfairly impacted by this particular law.